So, students, today we are going to discuss A.G. Gardiner's essay, which is on saying please. So, this essay is an apt commentary on the mannerism of people in the society. Here, A.G. Gardiner lays a lot of importance on good manners. He describes in his essay through examples that what is the importance of being civil, and he shows how both good and bad manners are contagious. What point does he brings to the notice is that how civility brings positivity and how hostility bring unpleasant aura around us. He describes that how individual is a part of the society and the society will be positive if there will be good manners and etiquettes, and if people will keep on offending each other, then definitely there is going to be hostility all around. So the interesting fact about this essay is that this essay is prescribed across courses, like it could be found in some school textbook, it could be in college, and it could be in university as well. So such is the beauty of this essay. So how he explains his point? He explains his point by giving us two anecdotes. The first is that of a liftman. So there is an instance in the essay where a liftman gets offended because the person says that he want to go to the top floor, but he only says top and doesn't say top please. So the liftman got offended, and the writer here presumes that probably the person doesn't say anything like in a polite manner because probably he was not treated well at his home. Like his wife may not have treated him well, or and his wife in turn may not have been treated well by the cook. And he shows that how this vicious circle keeps on going. And now he says that probably this liftman will go home and in further he will be rude to his wife. So he tries to prove that how these bad manners are contagious, infectious, that if one person behaves in a bad manner, then it will keep on passing to the next person as well. Similarly, he also gives another example of how good manners, how positivity, politeness is also contagious, and that he proves through the example of a bus conductor. There is this bus conductor who is very nice to the writer. So what happens once this writer goes and he doesn't have any money in his pocket? So the in any other circumstance, the bus conductor would have thought that probably the writer happens next time when uh, when the writer was traveling in the same bus again. What happens? He tries to do what? The bus conductor incidentally jumps on the foot of the writer and he says sorry. But the writer was although hurt, but he says no, I'm not hurt. So this is how good behavior brings positivity in others. So then they also try to be nice to you. If you are nice to someone, the other person will try to be nice to you as well. So this is what is uh, important for him. So he says that people should be civil. They should not be hostile, because civility brings what? Civility brings positivity, and hostility brings unpleasant aura. So these are few points that are discussed in the essay. I think the text is with you. Go through it. It's a very simple text. The language is also simple, and we have already discussed it. So I think there will not be any problem for you to understand the essay. Thank you.